So, hello guys. The first topic natin ngayon is yung product rule. Product rule. So, paano nga ba gawin tong product rule? So, ang gagamitin natin ng formula is yung u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Maraming formula na pwedeng gamitin, pero ito yung gagamitin natin. So, bigyan tayo ng problem. X cubed plus x squared. Madali lang. Sabihin natin, ito yung u, and ito yung v. Yung u, yung x cubed, and yung v is x squared. So, apply na natin tong problem na to sa formula na to. Yung u natin, and x cubed times derivative ng v na 2x plus x squared derivative of u na 3x squared. Dito times na natin siya. Mangyayari dito, x cubed times 2x is 2x to the power of 4 plus x squared times 3 squared. 3x to the power of 4. So, ayan na siya. Then, bigay tayo ng another problem. Try natin. So, sabihin natin ganito. X squared plus 1 then x minus 4. Ang gagawin natin dito, ganun pa rin. I-apply natin yung u and v. Sabihin natin ito yung u, ito yung v. So yung u natin is x squared plus 1. Ayun pala, nakalimutan ko lagyan. And then yung v natin, and x minus 4. So ang mangyayari dyan, apply na natin siya. Yung u natin na x squared plus 1 times natin sa derivative ng v na 1. 1 na lang siya. Kasi ito lang yung hanapin natin sa x. So, mawawala ito ng value yung 4. Then plus, copy natin itong v na x minus 4. Then derivative ng u na 2x. Then, ganun pa rin yung process na times natin siya sa kabilaan. Then, 2x squared plus 1 times 1. Mayari dyan, 1 times x squared equals x squared plus 1. Kasi 1 times 1. And then plus 2x squared ay 2x times x minus 4. 2x times x equals 2x squared 2x times negative 4 equals negative 6x. Then, hanapin natin yung like terms dito sa dalawa. So, makikita natin itong x squared then 2x squared. Yan yung like terms. Yan yung pag-add natin. So, x squared plus 2x squared magiging 3x squared. Copy na lang yung exponent kasi add siya. Addition. Then, apply na natin itong dalawa, yung 1 and 6x plus 6x plus 1. Ayan na siya. Thank you.